Writing Task 2. Band 9 Score Model Essay. With advanced vocabulary. Question. Do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Modern technology is creating a single world culture. Use specific reasons and examples to support your opinion. You should write at least 250 words. Model Answer 1. Man, through the ages, has undergone many changes from the time when he depicted a herd of mammoths on the walls of the cave to these days when he can chat with someone on the other side of the globe. Modern technology is rapidly changing the world's living standards, resulting in the creation of a single world culture. New technologies, including the internet, television, electronic media, means of transportation, etc., have a great impact on creating a similar culture all around the globe. Below I will list my reasons to support my opinion. First of all, the internet and email have changed the way people communicate with each other. The internet brought many benefits. It is a new means of communication, a fast access to information and news. People communicate with each other, share their ideas, happiness, and difficulties. We have a great opportunity to find out more about countries and their history. Second, the modern means of transportation allows people to move from one place to another very quickly. A few centuries ago it was impossible to imagine waking up in one country and falling asleep in another. Finally, as a result of all mentioned above, the boundaries between countries, their traditions, and customs are erased. Many people migrate during their lives. Some of them are looking for a better place to live, others want to get new experience and knowledge or just pleasure. So, many families are created between people from different countries. Traditions fuse and evolve into other ones or just vanish. To sum up, modern technology has a great impact on the way people live now. It is creating a new single world culture where traditions and distances are no longer of that importance. Model Answer 2. In today's world, the use of technology is ever increasing. People all over the world share the same information. I totally agree that contemporary technology is creating a single world culture. It is now much easier to communicate with people who are far away. Modern transportation, TV, and also the internet are bringing people closer together. Firstly, almost every family has their private TV. It is connected with satellite. TV programs can be received anywhere in the world. Now people in every part of the world can watch all the same TV programs. When people see the same news and entertainment programs, they contribute to the development of a single world culture. Secondly, if we look at the internet, people have access to information and news from all over the world. They can communicate easily with people who are far away and exchange information with each other. When people share the information on the internet, they become under the same cultural influence. They move toward the creation of a single world culture. Thirdly, as regards modern transportation, a trip to a foreign country becomes easy. Now people from all different places are more together than before. They can see how people in other countries dress, eat, and spend their free time. Moreover, they can adopt some of the customs. This also causes the developing of a single world culture. In conclusion, these types of communication technology have brought people from all over the world closer together. People these days have more opportunities to share ideas and information. In this way, they are coming under the same cultural influence. So, a single world culture is being created. Model Answer 3. At the present time, modern technology has created a monocultural world. Due to the internet, rapid communication facilities, improved transportation facilities, TV, satellite channels, etc., people are sharing similar information, and modern technology has made it possible to access data very easily. People all over the world are using similar technology, accessing the same websites, watching the same movies, and following the same fashion styles. As a consequence, the tradition, lifestyle, and way of life all over the world are getting similar. Therefore, people are widely accepting cultures, fashions, and trends of other countries and sometimes forgetting their own cultures. I partially disagree with the rubric above, and it'll be shown in the following essay. Currently, almost every home has their own TV, and the same data are shown on it. Channels all over the world are broadcasting programs, and people are accessing more international channels than their national channels. For instance, when I was younger, I used to watch one TV show, and amazingly, my friend from another country also watched it every day. Another example can be when there is any international sports event, people all over the world are watching it at the same time. It's obvious from my example that it doesn't matter where you are living, the mass media is the same in every country. Thus, the influence of TV and the internet is quite enormous in creating a single culture. Yet, this is partial, as many people around the world are still struggling to earn their daily bread, and the technological facilities are inaccessible to them. However, the opinion of human beings shouldn't rely on only the mass media. People should limit themselves from the technology that we have nowadays, because the consequences aren't just going to come in a psychological way but in a physical way as well. We should be very wary of this. For example, while an individual is working in front of the computer, his body is adjusting itself because in a chair the whole mass of a person lays on his back, and in the near future it can cause fatal diseases such as numbness or even paralysis. This example clearly shows that the mass media is impacting people only partially but not entirely. Modern technology has made our lives easier and more convenient, and yet there exist many demerits that we can't deny. After analyzing both benefits and drawbacks of modern technology, I've concluded that modern technology has indeed reduced the distance and gap among nations, but the difference still persists. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Press the bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching.